Hey ladies, this is Ranisha Latrice and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing you how to replace your old closure on your wig with a new closure. Now that closure is already giving me scalp, so let's just start there. But the customer didn't want the bang anymore, so I'm just going to take it off and put on a new closure because she wants a new style. So right now I'm just going to be shaking the wig. Look at that shake, y'all. And I'm going to use my handy dandy Sharpie thing that I get with my sewing machine. I do not know the name, but I'm going to be using that to take off the thread that I used on my sewing machine for the wig. And you're just going to see me do that. It's kind of tedious, but just take your time so you won't rip the lace. So just watch me do that.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn to morning dew, then you don't stop. Got the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at yours next time. And you feel it freshening, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place. Places like I do. My place like you do.
Okay, ladies, so that old closure is off. And right now you see me taking off the excess thread that I have left over. You do not want to leave that on there because once you sew on the new closure and then take that to the sewing machine, that excess thread is going to cause a jam, and you do not want that jam because it takes a while to get a jam out of the sewing machine, and you want to work smarter, not harder. So make sure you take off the excess thread. Now I'm lifting up the wig so you can see where I'll be sewing on the new closure. That little space there that you see, that's where I'm going to be sewing on the new closure. And then this is a clip of the old closure. So yeah, it was really time for that to come off. Okay, ladies, so now it's time to sew on the new closure so you can be a brand new girl with a brand new wig. I put the T-pins on each side just to hold that closure in place. And then I'm going to put some T-pins in the back so I can hold the closure in place while I'm sewing it down. Now I'm going to sew it down with needle and thread first. So I'm going to hand sew. And then I'm going to take it to the sewing machine just to lock that in place so it can stay. And yeah, you're going to see me do that.
Places like I do, my place like you do, Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock. We in our own zone. Make yourself at home. Get to know.
So right now I'm going to show you guys how it looks with all the T-pins on there, all in place. I'm going to give it a turn so you can see how it'll look when you do it yourself. So it's easier for you to sew on the closure with needle and thread.
For sure, we both already know your place is my place. Now my place is your place. Let's face it, baby. You know all the places. Places, my place is your place. Your place is my place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do. Kick it with you. Night turn into morning dew. Then you feel it freshening. Lose control. You don't wanna go slow. For sure, we both already know your place is my place. Now my place is your place. Let's face it, baby. You know all the places. Places, my place is your place. My place, your place, my place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do. Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock. We in our own zone. Make yourself at home. Get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at yours next time. And you will live
Okay, ladies, we are all done. This is the finished product. I'm going to turn it inside out so you can see it. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. You could be doing anything in the world today, but you decided to be here with me. And for that, I thank you. See you next time. Bye.